T-Mobile Kids Watch resets are essential for troubleshooting performance issues like GPS unresponsiveness, app syncing errors, or frozen screens. There are three key processes: backup, factory reset, and repair. You should consider a reset when the watch malfunctions, after software updates cause conflicts, or when preparing the watch for a new user. Always back up data via the T-Mobile FamilyWare app before initiating a factory reset to avoid data loss. Automatic backup prompts have been implemented in the app to prevent accidental data loss. Parental PIN verification is required for most reset functions, ensuring child safety and data privacy, which aligns with COPPA regulations. The Kids Watch helps keep children connected and safe through features like video calling. First, back up your watch data using the FamilyWare app. Enable cloud sync in the settings to save contacts, location history, and app settings. Next, perform a factory reset on the watch. Power it on and press the side button to access settings. Navigate to System, then Reset, then Factory Reset. Confirm with your parental PIN. This will wipe all data and reinstall the firmware. Finally, repair the watch with the parent smartphone. Ensure the watch is in pairing mode, indicated by a flashing light. Use the FamilyWare app to scan for the watch via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and verify the connection via SMS. If you experience issues during repairing, clear the app's cache. In the future, T-Mobile aims to reduce the need for resets with over-the-air fixes, but for now, it is important to follow this process.